My name is Engineer Jakimo. I'm the CEO of Jakimo Infrastructure East Africa Limited. And in this project, I'm the project manager.
Wakati wa hii mradi watu kuja, kulikuwa na shida mingi ya maji. Watu walikuwa wakienda mbali kutafuta maji. Watoto wakienda huko kutafuta maji, walikuwa wakikaa muda mrefu huko kwa mto. Walikuwa wakikaa sana mpaka mwendo wa saa 10 ya usiku wanakuwa kwa mto. Na madhara ilikuwa mingi sana, unajisi wa watoto wao wasijana.
So basically the community around used to get water from Kitui river, which is 3,000 meters from here. The problem on top of the distance, the river bed used to dry. So during a time like this, when the season is completely dry, they used to dig very deep scoop holes, and they used to queue there for water and all that. So when we sat down, we decided first to do a sand dam to impound water such that the water table rises. Then after the sand dam, we did a sump well, which actually had a lot of water, and we found out that we can pump 6,000 liters of water from there. Then reticulate it to a farm, which is 300 meters from the sump well, where we have a water kiosk and a demonstration farm.
This project is funded by an NGO called Conversion, and the client is GNCA. And what we are doing a pipeline, raisement from the river to the tower, which is a total of 3.2 kilometers. The scope of the work is we are doing 2 steel towers, which are supporting 2 plastic tanks of 10,000 each, and 1 water kiosk to serve the community. And apart from the main pipeline, which is diameter of 63 millimeter HDP pipe, we are also giving homesteads what we call distribution pipelines to serve the users at the homestead level.
The project is phase 3 of the bigger project, which comprises extension pipeline from the farm down there to the church, which is 3,000 meters. The staff of Jakimo have all the expertise which is required. Their behavior in terms of interaction with the community is the best. They are very good in communication. When we go to the quality of materials, as far as I am concerned, when I was inspecting the materials, they had the best quality, the pipes, meters and all that. Equipment, they had the best, including means of transport.
This project was handed over to us by the client on 6th of September, and we had been given 3 months to deliver. That is the 6th of December. And because of our experience in the water industry for the last 10 years, what we did was to do desk planning. We knew that what we wanted to procure, what we wanted to be done. And looking at the rainfall which are coming at the end of October, we had to plan the earthworks to be done before the onset of the rains. So what we have done, we have a skilled team of technicians, field operations, and so these people were able to be put on their right departments, and they were given timeline to deliver. So I would tell you that we have done that. We are doing 30% by this time, but we have done 80%, purely because we are using people that are experienced. Some of us have been with us for 10 years, and they know what to do. Based on the remaining part, which is 20%, the plan is to hand over the project around 20th of October. That is when you can be able to deliver water to the community, to the user points, and you're able to give the client back the project.
In terms of the output of the project, the design is there. It's between 6,000 to 10,000 liters per hour. And the design stipulates that we will reach over 2,000 people and their livestock.
Wakati hii mradi kuja, vijana walifaidika sana, manake waliajiriwa kazi, na katika ile kazi walikuwa wakifanya malipo hayakuwa mabaya, alikuwa akipata pesa kwa njia inayofaa.
We have engaged local community in terms of the labor force. We have very few technical people like the masons who are out of this area, and the end product that we are giving, as I've said before, is quality. If you look at the program that we are doing, is to the highest standard. So what we are going to give the community is something that has never been given in this region before.
Kwa kusema kweli, contractor vile anaendelea na kazi yake, tunasema ni 100% kwa hakika. Inaonekana tu zile zenye pipe ambazo wamezileta ni zile ambazo zinadumu kwa muda mrefu, sio ati ya kumalizika kwa siku moja, inadumu kwa muda mrefu.
One thing, we are buying pipes from one of the best manufacturers in the country, and these are one of the rated as the best pipe manufacturers. If you look at the quality of pipes that we have bought, it is locally approved by Kenya Bureau of Standards, and that's what we are giving every part of the country. And the tank that we are doing, behind me there's a tank. You look at the tanks, they are professional, the 3-layer course tanks, and the steel that we are doing is bolted. So the steel are from proper manufacturers, and the welding that has been done off-site and delivered to site and assembled on site.
Kwa kusema kweli, hii kazi imenifurahisha sana sana sana, kwa sababu vyenye anafanya hakuna kula kusukumwa ati afanye hivi ama aitishe kiasi kidogo ndio kazi endelee vyema. Anajitoa yeye mwenyewe na kufanya kazi kwa bidii zake zote. Mwanga afanye ile kazi kama vile inatakikana ifanywe.
Sincerely speaking, I have over 28 years of experience, but Jakimo has impressed me and surprised me with their speed of work while ensuring the quality of work, because this contract was supposed to start on 6th September and end on 6th December. As we speak now, we are at over 80%, and the month is not yet over. So they are the best I've ever seen.
Our commitment is very simple. When you do a project and you finish, you are given 6 months. And these 6 months, they call it difficult liability period. That means that whatever is happening to the project, you are supposed to come back and rectify or make good the defects. What Jakimo is doing, we want to live beyond the 6 months. We don't want a client, when they hand over we hand over the project and we are out of the project, it fails. We are doing a project for posterity that even after the end of the 6 months that we are given, is going to operate, and we can come back and celebrate the results with the community.